Hello to all my lovely people. I hope you all doing great, and Alhamdulillah, I am also fit as fiddle. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video. Today we are going to discuss about 100 and plus English words for kids. There are the 100 and plus vocabulary words for beginners. Okay, so everybody please note down in your notebooks and do daily practice on that. Okay, so make sentence every single word and try to speak at your home and your colleague, at your office, at your home, and everywhere. So guys, let's get started. Number 1, obey. Number 2, poor. Strong. Beauty. Careful. Entry. Chocolate. Remember. Swim. Question. Restless. Full. Pencil. Bag. Close. Punishment. Moon. Whack. Grandfather. Warm. Difficult. Dry. Night. Burger. Enjoy. Full. Apple. Onion. Potato. Go. Come. I. Toy. Naughty. Dog. Smooth. Comb. Car. Computer. Tree. Chair. Drink. Brave. Take. Grandmother. Help. Plate. Long. Time. Milk. Mother. Rich. Name. Father. Brother. Exit. Near. Son. Food. Forget. Sister. Answer. Active. Empty. Simple. Joy. Far. Thin. Sleep. Cool. Easy. Wait. Late. Hand. Dislike. Empty. Water. Wash. Bottle. Face. Crown. Bath. Husband. Nose. Gate. Good. Colorful. Park. Fish. Sofa. Gate. Eat. Shoe. Give. Finger. Flow. Look. Spoon. Open. Short. So guys, I hope you like this video. Kindly do share with your loved one. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.